Ganda oh. What a beautiful place. I'm in the bridge. Look at the view here. Wow. It's amazing. Oh my God. Ganda. Napakalinis oh. Pilipinas, probinsya lang ang malinis na dagat o ilog. Pero sa Manila, cannot trust the water. But here, even the city, wow.